I be so sick of you niggas that contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, said when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, marry out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, but can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my thug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been down, baby, baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby, and if you wonder if I hate you, I do. City of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your rider, you meant to handle me. Used to be not violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with me. Now I'm at your solid treatment. That means no permission. Missionary getting boring. Hard to say your song, you don't ever listen, no. I've been down, baby, baby, reminiscing. Baby, I'm missing you, wish it was different than what it was. I've been down, baby, lost in the universe, lost in no finding us. I've been down, baby, and if you wonder if I hate you, like this, what I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wonder if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make it feel just like this. And if you wondered if I hate you, shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
am here because I have some stuff. But temple and I have them here to go up. I'm there. And I am here praying for the rain. Just hold up little until them reach with the car. We put them here in the car because I don't really want to struggle in the rain to put them in the car. So outside really dark. I wish I would be home with this rain, but I have to go up on my family house to carry up these stuff. So I pray say them reach before it really come down heavy. Although I feel like the rain are going to reach before them. Oh gosh. This is what outside look like. Lord, please hold it up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. I'm gonna get a few load of clothes to wash today. Like, I wash 1, 2, 3, 4 set of clothes today. 4 load of clothes today. I get to wash. The rain will come. So, we have to use umbrella and put it in our car. Lord, please, just a little bit more. Please, Lord, please, let me see if, please. You know, every morning do me a prayer. Say, woo! For morning, me a prayer. For God will up him, and he did answer my prayer because the clothes and get the breeze out and so, even though the sun never hot. But I'm gonna lock the door here until them reach. Yep. Every rain outside, every rain. Alright, so the rain ease up a little. One piece of rain, we just get ready to leave out now. So I head up Temple now. See how the sky still look? Yeah, it look like it's still gonna fall more, so it give a little break. Alright, I have to buy a paper towel for my grandmother, so I run go buy. Paper towel. This what goes out there, so $49. Let's see. Paper towel. Them mother bad breed.
Red past Malcolm one day and say, yo, Malcolm! He look, he never know who. This man love it part, we can just jump on a taxi and go half the trip.
You like living in it's very blocky. Eh? You can't see nothing. There's foggy. 450 that? My lesson.
I mean, you learn. All the girls let me know there to say, I say, yo, you did serious? Me say, me serious.
Lazy Mel, did could time me call you? And you say you're there on your way, you're just reaching a bed already, little lazy girl. Eh? Then me no call her, she said she just reaching. So better find food to eat. So better did find food to eat. Oh, she come with food. Are you going to bed? You don't find out when nobody want to eat. Eh? Yeah, you know, you're going to, she not getting no food. No. I saw him greedy, mean and lazy. Eh? She has sleep it out though.
Come and sit down, listen to me. Natalia, come and sit down out there so we don't plate of food and run in court there. And yeah, you know, we work in the mouth too quick. And I say, be sure to God when Renee come out with food and give Renee, yeah, get out of it.
So that's what you're craving?
Yeah. I said,
She eat out of it.
Okay, fine.
After my talk done,
Okay, fine. You didn't give her some?
Ah, okay.
Yes, because me did get Auntie Chris the place my outside if you want some.
They never asked her anything. After me talk, mommy, she call her and give her and ask if she wants some.
But me get Auntie Chris the plate, me think that Auntie Chris will give her a little. That's why.
Mama, mommy, hear that story, you know, with Natalia. We dey round the kitchen Sunday. And me say, Renee, how is your childhood? Okay. Natalia, how is your childhood? I want to be an adult. So I said, what about being an adult you want to be? So I can do anything I want. I can go anywhere I want. I don't get beaten. I spend my own money. So I said, okay then. That's all like the good part where you talk about. So what about the part where you go wake up 6 o'clock, find the people at work, the boss throw down the whole heap of work where you have to do and get it done. I just tell him I quit. So I say, alright, you quit. Rent due, light bill due, water bill due. What you gonna do? Move out.
Okay.
So I say move out go when you have no money. She said they think now. Savings. So I say, but you quit the job after 1 day, you never have the money save up. Because anything she have to say, me I say something to you, know. She sit down and think. She not have nothing else to say. I say you need to enjoy your childhood. Because if you are 9 or 8 now, I go say adult. So when you reach 15, where you go on be?
You better hurry up.
Eh? Where you go on be?
Your auntie did want to turn 18.
Aye.
No, she want to go back soon.
Enjoy it. Everybody wish say and well want get big. Me not recall me did well want get. Me not recall her. What do it?
This is the white light.
That a warm light.
Yeah.
A white light you did one?
Yeah.
Oh then you have to look on it and know.
Yeah. You say bright.
I am hungry.
No, Chris, I know him. I hear a thing that.
Yeah, burrito there.
Give me Mr. That's not big also.
And a bread, and a wrap of bread.
And so what you eat?
Me good. I'm good. Me eat before me come here, cause when chef said I stuck in a rain and so.